In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Circle.so login and 2FA with this full guide. To get started, sign into your Circle.so account using an admin account, since these settings are typically only available to workspace or community administrators. Once you're inside, open the specific community you want to customize. This is important if you manage more than one community, because login and security settings may need to be adjusted in the correct workspace. From the admin dashboard, head over to Settings. This is where you'll find the main controls for your community configuration. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Authentication, Security, or Sign In. The exact name can vary depending on your Circle plan and the features available in your account, so don't worry if the wording looks slightly different. Once you're in the right area, you can begin customizing the login experience. For example, you may be able to adjust options related to email sign-in or other supported authentication methods. Take a moment to review what's available so your setup matches the experience you want for your members. If your goal is to make sign-in simpler, clearer, or more secure, this is the key area to focus on. Next, look for the option to enable two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA, if it's available for your account or workspace. Turning this on adds an extra layer of security beyond a password, which helps protect admin access and member accounts. When you enable it, Circle will usually guide you through the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect an authenticator app and complete verification. Make sure you carefully confirm that the app is linked correctly before moving on. This step matters because if the setup is incomplete, users may run into issues the next time they try to sign in. After that, save your changes so the updated login and security settings are applied. Don't skip this part, since unsaved changes won't take effect. Finally, sign out of your account and then sign back in to test everything for yourself. This final check helps you confirm that the customized login experience works the way you expect and that 2FA is functioning properly. Testing the flow from end to end is a smart way to catch anything that needs adjustment before other users rely on it. And that's it. You've now customized your Circle.so login settings and enabled 2FA for stronger account security.